Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series on basics of cell biology. In this video we will learn about prokaryotic cell. So what is meant by prokaryotic cell? You can see in living organisms there are two types of cells. First is prokaryotic cell and second is eukaryotic cell. In this video we will only concentrate upon prokaryotic cell, and in next video we will learn about eukaryotic cell. So let us start with prokaryotic cell. The prokaryotic cell, it is known as prokaryotic because pro means primitive and karyon means nucleus. So the cell which having primitive nucleus, they are known as prokaryotic cell. These cells are comparatively very simple and most primitive cells as compared to eukaryotic cells. This type of cell, it can be seen in bacteria, archaebacteria, cyanobacteria and such other organisms. It lacks an enclosed cell nucleus. This prokaryotic cell contains nuclear components like DNA, RNA and proteins. They lie directly into the cytoplasm and is surrounded by the plasma membrane. If you see this diagram, in prokaryotic cell, you can see there is no true nucleus present, or the nucleus like structure is absent here. The DNA, RNA like nucleic acids, they are directly laid into the cytoplasm. This cell is very simple. You can see here very minimum number of cell organelle is present here. So this is very simple type of cell as compared to eukaryotic cell. All these cytoplasm, it is enclosed by this plasma membrane. Also all the organelles like nucleic acid, then mesosomes, then lamellosomes, all these are present into the cytoplasm. Prokaryotic cell is comparatively smaller one, means as compared to eukaryotic cell, this cell it is very small in size. The size ranges from 1 to 10 micrometer and have non-cellulosic cell wall. So this type of cell, it contains a cell wall. For example, bacterial cell is shown here, that is in E. coli. The cell wall, it is non-cellulosic and it contains simple plasma membrane containing respiratory and photosynthetic enzyme in it. So in this type of cell, that is in prokaryotic cell, plasma membrane plays very important role. There are different types of enzymes present in plasma membrane. For example, photosynthetic, respiratory enzymes, and all these enzymes, they carry different types of activities like photosynthesis, like respiration, etc. So in prokaryotic cell, plasma membrane plays very important role. This is the cell of E. coli. It is prokaryotic cell. Now you can see here another type of cell, that is prokaryotic cell. It can be seen in blue-green algae. In prokaryotic cells, the true nucleus is absent, and so that no nuclear membrane, nucleolus, can be seen in these types of cells. So here you can see there is no true nucleus. This is cytoplasm of this cell, and the genetic material, that is or hereditary material, we can say DNA or RNA, they are directly present into the cytoplasm because this cell doesn't have any nucleus, and as nucleus is absent, there will be no question of nuclear membrane, nucleolus, etc. So these cells are very simple type of cells. Naked DNA is laid into cytoplasm and is not mixed with histone protein. So one important feature of prokaryotic cell is that their DNA, it is naked one and it is laid into the cytoplasm. It is not mixed with histone protein because as like in eukaryotic cell, the DNA of eukaryotic cell, it is mixed with histone protein and it forms the structure like chromosome. But here a naked DNA present and it forms a single chromosome and it is circular double stranded. So the chromosome of Prokaryotic cell, it is represented by a circular double-stranded DNA. Prokaryotic cell generally divides by a mitosis, that is other than mitotic division, for example fission. So these cells do not divide by mitosis, means it is not applicable here. Mitosis is not applicable in prokaryotic cell. These cells can be divided by the process like fission. Prokaryotic cells does not contain membrane-bound cell organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, centrioles, etc. So in cytoplasm, so in these cells, you can see in these cells also, or in bacterial cell also, there are no any organelles present into the cell. Means there are different cell organelles which are present in eukaryotic cell like mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, centrioles. All these are absent in the prokaryotic cell, and the function of all these organisms is carried out by the plasma membrane itself. So this is very important feature of the prokaryotic cell. In this cell, ribosomes are present as like in eukaryotic cell, but all these ribosomes are different than eukaryotic cells. The prokaryotic cell contains 70s ribosomes, which are made up from the subunit of 50s and 30s. They are present into the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cells. So prokaryotic cell, it is most common and primitive type of cell which can be seen in some bacteria, archaebacteria, and some blue-green algae. This type of cell, it contains no true nucleus. So the most important feature of prokaryotic cell is that it contains no true nucleus. Also, it contains no any cell organelles which are present into the eukaryotic cell. Then their DNA, it is present into the cytoplasm itself in the form of circular, and it is double-stranded. This cell, it will not divide by mitosis process, it will divide by the process like fission. So these are some important features of prokaryotic cells. Thanks for your attention.